For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The medicine wholesale business involves sourcing pharmaceutical products in bulk from manufacturers or authorized distributors and reselling them to pharmacies, hospitals, clinics, and healthcare providers. This venture requires regulatory compliance, trusted supply chain networks, and efficient logistics. Thanks to the rise of free AI tools, aspiring entrepreneurs can now significantly reduce startup costs by using automation for planning, compliance support, inventory tracking, marketing, and customer communication. Below is a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to launching a medicine wholesale business using AI at minimal cost. Step 1. Understand legal and regulatory requirements. Begin by researching the licensing, permits, and certifications required to operate a pharmaceutical wholesale business in your region. In the U.S., you'll need a wholesale distributor license from your state's Board of Pharmacy and may also need to register with the FDA and DEA if handling controlled substances. Use ChatGPT to help you draft a regulatory checklist. Prompt: what licenses and certifications are required to start a pharmaceutical wholesale business in insert state/country. Additionally, use consensus.app to search scholarly summaries of regulations and compliance issues, including GDP, Good Distribution Practice standards. This tool uses AI to summarize peer-reviewed research. Step 2. Draft a business plan using AI. A business plan is critical for clarity, direction, and attracting partners or funding. AI can help generate a professional draft within minutes. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a detailed business plan for a medicine wholesale business targeting pharmacies and clinics. Include executive summary, company description, market analysis, competitive analysis, organizational structure, products and services, marketing strategy, financial projections, and regulatory compliance plan. You can use Notion AI or Google Docs with voice typing and smart suggestions for further editing and collaborative refinement. These tools help you adjust and revise the plan interactively. Step 3. Find reliable medicine suppliers. Once you have your business structure in place, finding verified suppliers is crucial. Use LinkedIn and Google Maps to locate pharmaceutical manufacturers or licensed distributors. Use ChatGPT to help you vet them. Prompt: how can I verify that a pharmaceutical supplier is authorized and compliant with regulations? Additionally, Perplexity AI is useful for quick supplier research by summarizing various sources to identify potential manufacturers or exporters based on product type or location. Step 4. Set up a procurement and inventory management system. Inventory control is vital in wholesale medicine due to expiration dates and storage requirements. Use Odoo Community Edition free open-source ERP to manage inventory, purchase orders, and invoicing. It can track stock levels, batch numbers, expiry dates, and reorder points. You can also use Airtable with GPT add-ons to create a dynamic stock database. Prompt ChatGPT. Create an Airtable structure to manage pharmaceutical inventory, including product name, batch number, quantity, expiry date, supplier, and reorder threshold. Step 5. Create a marketing strategy with AI. Marketing in the wholesale space is more relationship-driven than B2C retail. You'll need to develop outreach to pharmacies, clinics, and hospitals. Use ChatGPT to generate a marketing plan. Prompt: write a marketing plan for a wholesale pharmaceutical business focused on B2B sales to pharmacies and clinics, including email marketing, LinkedIn networking, and referral programs. Use Canva's free AI-powered design tools to generate flyers, email templates, and brochures. For your website and SEO copy, use tools like Copy.ai or WriteSonic's free plans to generate targeted landing pages and product descriptions. Step 6. Build an online presence. A professional website adds credibility and makes you more accessible to potential clients. Use Wix or WordPress.com free plans to build a clean, informative site. Use ChatGPT to generate content. Prompt: write homepage content for a medicine wholesale business that highlights reliability, compliance, and competitive pricing. You can also ask, generate SEO keywords and meta descriptions for a pharmaceutical wholesaler targeting local clinics and pharmacies. To automate customer interactions, integrate a free AI chatbot, such as Tidio or FlowXO, which can answer common questions and collect contact info. Step 7. Manage customer relations and orders. Use HubSpot's free CRM to manage contacts, schedule follow-ups, track deals, and automate email campaigns. It also integrates with Gmail and Outlook. Use ChatGPT to help craft outreach messages. Prompt: write a professional introductory email for a pharmaceutical wholesale business reaching out to new pharmacy clients. To handle recurring orders and customer preferences, set up a customer portal or recurring billing schedule using Odoo or Google Sheets, enhanced by AI scripts like GPT for Sheets. Step 8. Plan logistics and cold chain compliance. Delivery is a critical part of the business. Medications may require temperature-controlled transport. Use ChatGPT to help you evaluate shipping options. Prompt: what are the best practices and tools for ensuring cold chain logistics in pharmaceutical wholesale? Use Google Sheets and Maps integrations to optimize delivery routes. Also, consider free tools like Logistimo to track supply chain metrics and ensure timely delivery. Step 9. Track finances and forecast with AI tools. Managing your finances carefully from the start helps you remain compliant and scalable. Use Wave Accounting, free, to track income, expenses, and payroll. For forecasts and pricing models, use ChatGPT or Excel's AI features. Prompt: create a simple 12-month cash flow projection for a medicine wholesale business with estimated startup costs, sales revenue, and expenses. If you want a more tailored financial model, use ChatGPT with this prompt. Build a basic Excel model to estimate monthly profit and loss for a pharmaceutical wholesale company selling to 100 pharmacies with average order value of $2,000. Step 10. Stay compliant and up to date. Compliance is ongoing. Use Google Alerts with keywords like pharmaceutical wholesale regulations, your state/country, to stay informed. You can also automate reminders in Google Calendar for license renewals and audits. Use ChatGPT for ongoing tasks like SOPs. Prompt: write a standard operating procedure for storing and handling temperature-sensitive medicines in a warehouse. You can also use ChatGPT to write training materials for new staff or generate safety signage. Conclusion: starting a medicine wholesale business is complex but highly achievable when paired with the right planning, automation, and regulatory attention. Free AI tools now make it possible to cut costs and accelerate decision-making across every stage of the process, from research and planning to marketing, logistics, and compliance. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.